Hello, good morning. In the previous class, we had studied binding energy and the average binding energy of the nucleus. In the today's topic, we will see the next property of the nucleus, that is mass defect. Mass defect. So what is the definition of mass defect? We know that the nucleus is formed by bringing protons and neutrons together. Means there is a nucleons. Nucleons means number of protons and number of neutrons. The mass of the nucleus, so formed by the bringing proton and neutron together, so form is less than the sum of the masses of constituent protons and neutrons. That means when we can count the mass of individual protons and individual neutrons, so this mass of constituent proton and neutron is greater than the actual mass of the nucleus. So that's why this mass difference between the whole nucleus and the constituents nucleons is called the mass defect, and it is denoted by the letter delta m. That means difference in mass of the difference in mass of the constituents of nucleus and the actual mass of the nucleus is called mass defect, and it is denoted by the letter delta m. Okay, this mass defect is denoted by the letter delta m. So if Z is the number of protons, then A minus Z is the number of neutron. Here A is the atomic number. Okay, A is the atomic number. Z is the number of, if Z is the number of proton, then A minus Z is the number of neutron. Okay, the number of neutrons in the nucleus is A minus Z. A is the atomic mass. Here Z is the atomic number. Sorry, here A is the atomic mass and Z is the atomic number. Okay, Z is the atomic number and A is the atomic mass. And if Mp is the mass of proton, Mn is the mass of neutron, and capital M and capital N is the actual mass of the nucleus. Then which mass is greater? That means the addition of two constituents is greater. So therefore sum of the masses, first of all we can calculate the sum of masses of protons and neutrons. Sum of masses of protons and neutrons. We get the value Z Mp plus A minus Z Mn. Okay, sum of masses of protons and neutrons means Z Mp and A minus Z Mn. Okay, and the actual mass of the nucleus is the capital Ms. Therefore mass defect is equals to delta small m is equals to, the difference is mass. Which mass is greater? Sum of this mass is greater. Therefore, we take first value. This is that is ZMP plus A minus ZMN minus capital M and N. So this is called the mass defect. Is delta is equal to ZMP plus A minus ZMN minus capital Mn. So mass defect is therefore defined as the difference between the sum of masses of protons and neutrons and the actual mass of the actual rest mass of the nucleus. That is the difference between, this is the sum of masses of protons and neutrons, or we can say that the sum of the masses of nucleons forming the nucleus and the actual rest mass of the nucleus. So this is called the mass defect. It is denoted by the letter delta M. So therefore this is the value of the mass defect. Okay. The next topic is the packing fraction. Packing fraction. Okay. We here packing fraction means, so in the when we count the atomic mass of the any atoms or particles, so this is, we see that this mass, atomic mass is very close to whole number. For example, hydrogen 11 is equals to 1.007825. This is the first value. Then helium 24, this mass is the 4.002603. Then lithium 63, which has the atomic mass 6.015126. So let us see the atomic masses of the particles. That means hydrogen, helium and lithium. So it is 1.00, means 1 is the whole number. It is very close to whole number values, but invariantly differ from the integer value by the small amount. Means if we take this 1, so 1 is the whole number, okay, and this is invariantly differ, that is 1.0071. When we take the difference, that is 1.007825 minus 1. So we take this as the 0.007825. So this invariantly different from the small amount. This is different from the whole number, but it's 0.007. So this value invariantly differ from the integer value by the small amount. So the deviation of, so this deviation of atomic mass, this is the deviation 0.007825. This is the deviation, and deviation of the atomic mass from the whole number is expressed in the form of quantity, and this quantity is known as the packing fraction. Okay, this quantity is known as the packing fraction, means difference between the whole number and the atomic mass of the nucleus, atomic mass of the atom. So this value or this deviation is known as the packing fraction. So packing fraction is defined as the, simply a definition, the packing fraction is defined as the ratio of the difference between the atomic mass of the atom and its mass number. Atomic mass of the atom, atomic mass of the atom and the mass number, sorry, atomic number no, here the value A, that is the mass number, the ratio of mass of the atom and the mass number. Okay, the ratio of the difference between the atomic mass of the atom and the mass number, that is atomic mass is nothing but the capital M and mass number is the capital A. Okay, so this difference, that is this difference is M minus A. This difference is nothing but the M minus A to its mass number means capital A. So therefore packing fraction is equals to M minus A, that is denoted by the letter small f, is equals to M minus A divided by A. So this is called the packing fraction F. That means the ratio of difference between the atomic mass, that is capital M, and the mass number, the ratio of the difference between the atomic mass of the M and the mass number okay. So this is the packing fraction. Thank you.